Hey, Sender here. Today we'll be solving the part C of the Codeforces round 1002, div 2 part. So the what question is saying, let's see. Question is saying Nikir has started working as a queue manager at the company Black Counter. He needs to choose the order of servicing customers. There are total n queues, each initially containing 0 people. Each of the next n moments of time, there are two sequential events. New customers arrive in all quiz more formally at the jth moment of time, blah blah blah. So let me explain you what question is trying to say through the example. Mm, keep it aside. So we have given a number n, which is which is the number of queues in our matrix. Suppose we have given a matrix, and what this matrix is representing. Let's take this. This is first queue of customers. This is second queue of customers. Question is saying that we have a power uh, that we can handle only one queue at a time. And if we serving one queue, then after that moment, all the people which were in that queue at that moment will be erased or uh, will be equal to zero. Okay, suppose in the first moment I choose second row to serve, then I will serve all the two peoples here, and all the remaining in the next moment will be coming here. If I will serve second row, what will be happen in the next moment? I will be having 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 people in first queue, and as we have already served these guys, so the left people will be one here. So in the second moment, I am having second one person in second queue and 3 person in my first queue. So I will be what I will be choosing, so that the max of all the elements all the elements or the person which are remaining in the queue, in our total queues, so that I can find the maximum max. What is max? I hope you all are doing the CP, so that you all know what is max. The minimum excluding element in our array. So so because you must know that the answer can never be the zero, because in the end we will definitely serving a particular row every time. Suppose I have served this row, then the number of people which will be remaining in this queue will be zero. So what we have seen, that zero will always be able to be created. Zero can created always. So we have to decide whether we can make one, two, or and so on in our remaining array. Okay. So how to approach this question? Let's see. What I have made the approach for this question is count the number of one consecutive ones from the last and act accordingly. Suppose this is my given array. I will be creating an array which will be initialized with infinity, and which will be containing the number of consecutive ones from the end of the row. I have initialized infinity. Okay, I have started with the row 1. Here no one is coming, so I will be I will be keep infinity as it is. I will not change this count array. Now I have come to now let's come to the second row. I have found one, and I tried to find another one, but I've not I there is no one. So I will the count of one is one in the second row. So I will be updated here one. In the third row, I will be doing the same process. First element is one. So let's check the next. It is also one. The count will become two, and I will be updating the the row of my count array of third equal to two. And now my count array is looking like, let me erase it. The count array is looking like infinity, one, two, infinity. I will be sorting this array one, two, and so on. And now what we have to do, we have to initialize answer variable equal to zero, and I have to check whether this count of I for I less than equal to less than n, the size of the matrix. If it is true, if count of I minus 1 is greater than equal to answer, my current answer. Why am I checking this? Let me let me tell you why am I doing this. Why this is 1 and why not just this? Why not just I have write count I greater than equal to answer? Because because I will initialize the answer equal to 0, and what I'm trying to check, trying to checking from the first whether the number 1 is available or not. Suppose this is we have number of 1 here. So 1 minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Hence answer can be become greater than 0. Why? Because I have 1 here. So I can create 1 in my counting array. Okay, so it will become 1. Now let I will iterate over another index. Count 2 minus 1 greater than equal to 1, and answer is also updating. So answer will become 1. That's why I have write it here 1. 1 greater than equal to 1. Hence answer will be updated. Answer plus plus answer equal to 2 now. Now I will be giving the answer plus 1 as my final answer. Sorry, I will be giving minimum of answer plus 1 comma n. Because why am I doing this? Let me explain you. Let's take this example. One, 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 one. My count array will look like 3, 3, 3. Okay. And if I will apply my logic here, what will be happen? Count 3 minus 0 greater than 0. Yes. Answer plus plus. 3 minus 1 greater than 1. Yes. Answer plus plus. 3 minus 2. Yes. Plus plus. So it becomes 3 now. But I am and what we were giving the answer we were giving answer plus 1. But if I would give answer plus 1 here, then it will be a wrong answer because my matrix is not even the size is lesser than 4. So that's why I have to give the final answer as minimum of 3 comma 4, which is 3, and this is our answer. Actually, why we are counting number of consecutive ones, because if there will be consecutive ones in the end, if there will be consecutive in the end, we can cumulate them into our desired number from the beginning, because we can create zero, we can create one by when we will be having number of one one person in our array in the last, because we can uh, we have to uh, हमें उस उतने नंबर ऑफ लोगों को लास्ट में रखना है, वी हैव टू कीप दैट नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन द लास्ट इन द रिमेनिंग. That's why we are selecting from the last, not from the even starting, or not from the middle even. We are just choosing, selecting number of one, or counting number of one from the end. And you can see now the code is here. First, I have taken the input, and I have created a vector of vector, which is a my matrix. I will be taking the input here. I have taken the input. Yeah. I have created the what I have said before, in just few moments ago. I've created the storing array, which will be initialized with the infinity of the size n. And now I have what I have done. I've initialized the count variable equal to 0, and if I have found last element equal to 1, count plus plus, and until we have not founded uh, any this segment of ones, because we are what we are doing actually, we are trying to find number of consecutive ones from the last. That's why when we have found a non one element, we will be breaking. And if when we will checking if count is greater than 0, store ith equal to count, ith describing the row. So initialize the 0 all, and we have sorted the store. This this store I have sorted. Now I'm checking whether store ith row, in my ith row, do I have greater than equal to answer. If it is so, it is so, then please increment the answer, and increment till we have not found the infinity in the matrix, and we will giving the answer as minimum of answer plus 1 comma n. So thank you. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sender for more such problem solving videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, keep ascending.